everyone, welcome back. Today I thought it would be fun to share a few cozy fall thrift flips with you. I came across this basket that instantly reminded me of one that I saw at Pottery Barn and thought I can recreate that. So I added some floral in the bottom and tucked in these green hydrangeas from my garden until it looked nice and full. Then I painted a few little dollar store pumpkins in a terracotta shade, put a little stick into the bottom of each one of them, and popped them in with some faux leaves I had left over. I love how cozy and full this arrangement turned out. Then I found this little ceramic jack-o'-lantern, and it was cute, but I wanted to make it look a little more high-end. So I mixed together two paints, raw sienna and country twill, and added baking soda for that textured look. I painted it all over, then brushed a lighter coat on top to give it some depth. I love how this one came out. It fits in so much better with my decor now. This next one might be my favorite. I thrifted a cozy white sweater and thought it would make the cutest pumpkin. I cut the top off, tied one end, stuffed it, and tied the other. Then I wrapped twine around the outside to make those pumpkin lines and used some nautical rope from Dollar Tree for the stem. I just wrapped the nautical rope around the extra fabric coming out the top of the pumpkin. It's so soft and cozy and perfect for fall. And the last piece was this vase. I really liked the shape of it, but not the color. So I mixed some burnt umber paint with baking soda, brushed it on for kind of a messy texture, and then went back in with a sponge to dab on more layers. Now it has this really pretty rustic brown finish. And that's it. 4 simple thrift flips, and now I have some really cozy fall decor pieces that I love. I hope this gives you a little inspiration to check out your thrift store and see what you can create too. Thanks so much for spending this time with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!